Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating the installation media. Plug an 8 GB USB into a working computer, run the media creation tool, and choose Create Installation Media for another PC. Make sure you select the correct edition and 64-bit or 32-bit to match your hardware. Once done, the tool will download Windows files and write them to the USB. You should label the drive and safely eject it. Having your Microsoft account and a product key ready speeds activation and setup later on. You now install Windows. Insert the USB into the new PC and power it on. Press the BIOS key to set USB as first boot device, and if possible enable UEFI and Secure Boot. UEFI plus GPT gives better performance and future compatibility. When the installer appears, pick Language and Keyboard, then choose Custom Install to manage partitions. Delete old partitions if this is a fresh machine, create new partitions as needed, and select the primary partition to install. You complete out-of-box experience by choosing region, connecting to the network, and signing in with your Microsoft account or creating a local account. Make sure to install chipset, graphics, and network drivers from the manufacturer. These often solve hardware recognition issues, and run Windows Update repeatedly until no critical updates remain. If activation fails, enter your product key or sign into the account linked to your digital license. If the PC won't boot from the drive, check BIOS boot order and USB compatibility. If drivers are missing, load vendor drivers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.